Iqalile inkinga nge-flu. Anyways, 7 rands to a dollar. Everyone is saying it, but kudlalwe ngathi sabantu abamnyama because they know ukuthi we will not understand. Anyways, sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama, ngine-flu, but I will explain to you. Lo 7 rands to a dollar, we need to go back to the very beginning. Askal. In order to understand lento ya 7 rands to a dollar, kumele sihlakaniphe and siyibuze the same question over and over again. What do we lose as South Africans and what do they gain as isitha? Understand ukuthi if irandi became stronger, lokho kuzosho ukuthi ama-imports, izinto esiyi-importayo njenge-fuel, ama-electronics ney'moto would be cheaper. Understand ukuthi South Africa to travel kuzoba cheaper for abantu base South Africa, sizokwazi ukuya England, sizokwazi ukuya America, Australia, because irandi would be stronger, sonke sobe sesi-afford. Understand ukuthi ama-exports, izinto esihambisayo like i-gold, i-wine nama-fruit would become too expensive for other countries. Lokho would force amanye amazwe ukuthi basiphe more money that will benefit South Africa. Never ever forget mntu omnyama ukuthi we made a promise South Africa ukuthi no matter what happens asisoze saphazamisa umsebenzi. Umnotho wase South Africa will always belong to the crown. Baye the Queen Elizabeth. But what does that mean? These are the real numbers esiphila ngawo. Understand ukuthi the rand was introduced in 1961 and it replaced the South African pound. Eyayi 2 rand to a pound. Understand ukuthi ngo 2001 i-exchange rate yethu yakhuphuka yabo 14 rand per dollar. Understand ukuthi by the end of 2024, the exchange rate stood at 18 rand 87 cents to a dollar. The value of export from South Africa to UK ngo 2024 imi ku 5,280 million. Yes, that's how much they make from us as South Africans. Mesu uyitshentsi wena khonto ngayenza ukuphazamisa umsebenzi. Hlakanipha ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi not everything is about lo 350 oholayo. Understand ukuthi if it happens ufuna ukuqala ibhizinisi elithenga izinto eAmerica, you would not have to pay $1,000. Instead, you would only have to pay 7,000 rands instead of uloku khipha imali engango 18,000 just to import izinto eAmerica. Understand ukuthi ama vehicles, imoto zaphesheya that usually cost about 20,000 to import would only cost 140,000 instead of biza imali engango 360,000. Lokho kusho ukuthi wonke umuntu eSouth Africa would be able to afford imoto and wonke umuntu eSouth Africa would be able to afford ukuvula i-dealership adayise imoto. We made a promise, Mantabamnyama. We made a promise. We promised them sathi asisoze saphazamisa umsebenzi. Umnotho will always belong to the crown. Understand ukuthi they control inflation. Benza sure ukuthi irandi is stuck at 18 rand to a dollar and liloke liyanyuka because it benefits them. We made a promise. Resource extraction. Tina, we give them a raw material. Understand ukuthi South Africa exports high mineral materials like gold, platinum, lithium, but much of refining, value adding, designing yenzeka overseas. Tina siqhamuka sesidayiselwa the finished products when we are the ones esifike raw material. Does it make sense? No, it doesn't, but we made a promise. Sathi asisoze saphazamisa baphazamisa umsebenzi. I-rand is only weak because they make it ukuthi libe weak. Understand ukuthi the rand's weakness is driven by import dependency. Lokhu kusho ukuthi thina siyathenga i-fuel, i-machinery nama-chemicals from isitha. Konke lokho amounted to an amount of 9.2 billion during 1985. Imagine manje ukuthi how much do we spend just from thenga lezi zinto from isitha. Kodwa at the end of the day we provided the raw materials. The real reason why the rand stays weak is because Africa doesn't control its own economy. Even though we mine gold, platinum, and diamonds, the profits are often made overseas by multinational companies. Yes, kodwa thina we get nothing. As of 2025, irandi is sitting at 18 rand to $1. What does that mean? That means ukuthi bona they benefit more from anything abayithola in South Africa. Why? Because a long time ago, some of our heroes made a promise, but no matter what happens, abasoze baphazamisa umsebenzi. So no one asks the important questions yokuthi why thina si provide bona ngama raw materials kodwa still ithina ehluphekayo. It doesn't make sense.